All right, so we just got our buddy Brandon's E46 M3 in the shop. The car pretty much has everything it needs. It just needs a little more power. Already has airlift suspension, Missile Beaver body kit.
Nope.
Rocket Bunny. So it just needs a little more power. And we're gonna do that by installing this ESS Supercharger kit on the car, along with ACT clutch to make sure it holds down the power. And so got my top tech Alex here getting to town on this thing, and basically all he needs, Red Bull and Pop-Tarts. Starts every morning this way. So Pop-Tart powered, Alex, right?
Right.
Yeah?
Yeah.
So Alex, well, in your job interview, you said you went to school for this. How long did you go to school for this?
2 years, maybe 3 if you count the other classes like that.
Oh, okay. So automotive technical school?
Yep.
Okay.
I got ASC certified and all that.
All right. So the real deal. Mm-hmm. Well, that's what he told me in the interview, and I guess he bullshitted me into that. So, yeah, I guess he's ASC certified. So, what are we doing now?
Right now we're trying to get the shift linkage apart. This has a hydraulic linkage setup because it's SMG. Got the drive line out, got the exhaust off and all that stuff, so now it's just down to getting the transmission out.
So we can do the ACT upgraded clutch.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh. Look at that.
Transmission was a little bit difficult to get out. It's kind of like getting a big couch through a small doorway, but getting it back in wasn't too bad. So to get everything lined up right and went right in there. Now I'm just getting all the little bolts on the sides and all the brackets bolted back up. So one common issue we have with these M3 BMWs is the subframe likes to try and rip itself off of the floor. So we have these subframe reinforcement plates that we're going to have our buddy Craig weld on, and then before we get that going, we got to take the gas tank out.
You just love watching people struggle. Like, oh, this looks frustrating, let me grab a camera. Alright. Now we're going to go over the work.
So today we finished up welding all the subframe bracing in, and then put the gas tank back in this morning, and then I just got done putting the whole rear subframe in with all the rear suspension and differential. So next I just have to hook up the brakes and then get started on the supercharger. Everything's almost done. Just gotta hook up the fuel rail, and then get the intake manifold in, get a couple hoses hooked up, and then get the tune done, and then it's pretty much good to go.
So Brandon's dad just came in all the way from Alaska, flew in. Bucky is his name. Picked up the car, was super pumped about it, and just took off. So that one is done.